people say any money that comes into your account, they will tax it. I don't know how they manage to come up with that level of misinformation. So just to be clear, there's nothing in the new tax law that says anything that goes to your bank account will be taxed. That would be against even the Constitution. Based on the Constitution and the new tax law, you tax income. So if you send money to me because it's a gift, or I have somebody abroad and they send me money to build a house for them, or just to take care of everybody, grandma, people in school, those ones are not taxable.
So what is taxable?
What is taxable is your income. You earn a salary and you're above the exemption threshold because there's an exemption where you don't pay at all. So if your salary is more than the exemption threshold, you pay tax based on your
rate. How do you know
rate.
that the money that entered my account is salary and this one is
fantastic,
a gift?
Fantastic. So the law says you do self-assessment, which means you're supposed to tell government yourself that I have these 10 million in my bank account, but 9 million is a gift or is money for some other people, and 1 million is only my own portion of the income, and then you pay tax on the 1 million. That's what is in the law.
We all have to do this. How are we going to tell the government this?
Yeah, so if you work as an employee, your employer has a way of collating that information and giving it to the government. So at the end of the year, they'll probably just give you a link to the website where you fill in some other information, your address, where you live, or if you have any other income, and you're done. Something very simple like trying to buy airtime. If you are a bigger person,
we have to fill this form every month.
No, once a year.
Once a year?
Yes. There's a way the tax system helps you collect reliable information about your citizens that you can use for social intervention.
Well, that's another criticism that this new tax era is facing right now, which is, listen, you're trying to make it look like we are an advanced country. We are not. Don't be taxing me like I'm abroad. I'm not living like I'm abroad. I don't have basic amenities. I'm not living a very good life the way people abroad that you're taxing. At least those people, when they collect their taxes, they can see the tax working for them.
Yeah, good point. You know
but the bane of the existence of the Nigerian is that you're taxing. I've been paying taxes since I started working, and I've been working since the year 2000.
For me as well.
So, and then I keep wondering, okay, what did my taxes do if I'm still dealing with not having basic amenities?
Yeah. So
I have a situation where people are on band A in this country. We're paying band A for that's 4 units per thousand. And still, you don't have electricity for up to 6 hours a day.
Yeah.
So how can I trust you?
Good point. I'm just as concerned about this as you are, and as the ordinary Nigerian out there. So 2 things. 1, they say don't copy the system in the abroad because you are taxing out and you're not providing anything. The place to even start that conversation is that in the abroad, they don't tax poverty. We have been taxing poverty. People are earning 50k and you're collecting salary from them. If you're in the UK, £13,000 a year, that's like almost, how much is that? 2 million naira a month. You don't pay tax. So at least if you don't agree with, taxing anybody at all, you should at least agree that we should exempt low-income earners and reduce the tax on middle class. So we've copied that. Nobody has complained about it. The other bit about I finished paying my taxes and I have to do everything government should be doing for me is a concern for all of us, including myself. So this was a priority objective for the committee. People know us as a tax committee. We're actually a fiscal and tax because there's debate about government spending, transparency, and government borrowing in addition to revenue.